Yes, hello everyone. How are you doing? Welcome to this video. Here I have this kind of question related to application of trigonometry. I think everyone can see and read this question. A man or a person stands 50 meters away from the base of a tower. The angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height. We are asked to find the height of tower. But before I start, I want you to know this angle. Do you see if if you can see horizontally? Let us suppose this is an eye. So we have two angles, angle of elevation and the angle of depression. This elevation and the angle of depression. As we have an angle of elevation, we are here. We are going to use diagram in this form. This is an eye. You can see horizontally. We have a tower. Let us try to draw a tower like this. This is the top of tower, and this man is observing on the tower, on the top of tower. Means that he can see horizontally, but we have an angle of elevation of 30 degrees, where we have height of tower. And remember, this person stands 50 meters away from the tower or the base of tower. Means that this distance is 50 meters. As you see, we have a right angle triangle with angle, and this is an opposite side to this angle, and this is an adjacent side to this angle. So what do you think how we can get the value of height? So let us go. Here we are going to use tan. Remember, tan of angle is equal to opposite side to this angle x over adjacent side to this angle x. Let us x be 30. Means that tan of 30 degrees will be equal to opposite side to this angle is height. Will be height over the adjacent side, where this side and hypotenuse make an angle of 30. Means this is an adjacent side. This is 50 meter. So make cross product. We are going. So tan of 30 is equal to height over 50 meters. By cross product, height will be equal to 15 meters times tan of 30. So by using calculator, you can find tan of 30. This will be equal to 50 times 1 over root 3. So this height will be equal to, height will be equal to, Remember, we have meter here. So height will be equal to, by calculation, this will be 28.86 meter as the height of tower. So I think you have been asked to find the height of tower. That is it. So thank you for watching this video. For your support, it will be better. Like, share and comment for this. Thank you very much.